The Cochlear Aqua Plus is a reusable, sealable cover that, when used with the Cochlear Nucleus 8 Nexa Aqua Plus coil, keeps your sound processor dry during use in and around water. You must be using a rechargeable battery for your sound processor to work inside Aqua Plus. Pull up on the ear hook to remove it. Carefully unplug your usual coil from the sound processor. Hold the coil cable grip and firmly pull it straight out of the processor. Insert your sound processor into Aqua Plus. Insert the plug into the base of Aqua Plus. To make a good seal, push the plug in as far as it will go. Line up the hole in Aqua Plus with the coil socket on the sound processor. Push the blue Cochlear Nucleus 8 Nexa Aqua Plus coil with magnet straight into your sound processor. If you're concerned about losing your Aqua Plus, use a retention option, such as the Cochlear safety line, and clip it to your clothing. For more information, visit our website.